Doctors, physicians, hospitals, and other healthcare facilities often face claim denials due to medical billing and coding errors. Medical billing errors aren't completely unavoidable, so when you do encounter a problem in your claims, it's important to understand how to fix it. These simple tips can improve your billing process and, in turn, reduce and correct medical billing errors. Incorrect patient information is one of the biggest reasons for rejected and denied claims. Record the correct name, address, social security number, birthday, correct insurance information, and more. Every year the diagnosis codes change, leading to immense confusion and rejection of claims. Have someone on staff doing your coding, a certified coder, or outsource coding work to GreenSense Billing. Look into efficient software to reduce the number of medical billing errors on your claims. GreenSense Billing has the best software solution that automates your billing process with minimal errors. GreenSense Billing is among the best medical billing and coding companies in the United States of America that makes sure hospitals, doctors, and practitioners get prompt reimbursements of claims through 99% accurate billing. If you face trouble regarding medical billing and coding errors, GreenSense Billing is always here to sort your problems.